Hey, what's up YouTube? This is Doug Jenkins back with some informative and audio sample demos. I'm going to set this demo up. Recently, by the grace of God, I have the opportunity to work with two 1073 like full channel strips. It's a 1073 LB, 1073 LB EQ, and a 2264 ALB compressor limiter. Now, what's cool about this, and then we'll get into it, and we'll let you hear the gear. First, I'll tell you how I'm setting it up. I have a vocal session, was a great friend of mine, a great friend of the family. This is just a backyard recording, dude. This is, well, not a backyard recording, but this was his first time recording. He just wanted to get his vocals down. He's becoming, he's an older gentleman. Dude, I do recordings. It does not matter. Age, height, weight, fat. I don't look at things like, oh, this guy could be famous, this guy couldn't be famous. One of the most genuine people I've ever met in my life, and he said, Doug, I want to sing. So what we're doing today is I only have the one channel. I need both channels to come in. Now, my sales rep at Vintage King, Jason Cropper, yeah, you just got brownie points, Jason. They're doing all they can to get these things from England and get them over here. But we have one channel that I can work on. So I said, man, I'm going to put a video out. I'm going to open this Red Bull, and I'm going to bounce the stem. So let me move the camera over, and as I'm moving it over, we're going to record into Pro Tools. I'm going to dump that audio into Final Cut like we should, and you're going to hear my converter. Now, the bummer is you're probably going to get some of the conversion quality from Final Cut. That's something that I'm working on. I actually bought an Apogee 1 the other day, so we can do some videos on that, but we're working with, on this video, the conversion is the Symphony IO. So we have pure Symphony IO. We're going to print that. We're going to put it into the video. And hopefully the video quality doesn't get screwed up. So the one will be the interface, because I have a secondary computer that's going to do the Final Cut stuff. So let's see what happens. What we're doing is we're bouncing right back into Pro Tools. And you're going to lose me audio-wise here in a minute, which you really don't need to hear me. Like, you guys know that. So I'll play this maybe for like 15-20 minutes. Oh man, look at those bad boys. Now, it doesn't look that pretty because of the big holes in the rack, but trust me, it sounds pretty. So we're going to hit record here. I'm going to move my chair so I don't smash this camera. And you're gonna lose my audio, which we don't really need right now. And we're gonna do a gear shootout, man. The left module is the preamp. Now you can set that to line, so you have no kind of gain, whatever. It's just coming in at line level. The EQ is actually inserted in the channel strip. And then all the way to the far right is the compressor. Now I got this running by itself because when you put these into link mode, I don't think you can put them all together. Now here's how these work before we start this video. If you look at this cable in here, it's a good thing to do. This is how they can link together within the actual process. So you don't have to link them in the back of the lunchbox is what I'm saying. So you can actually have this whole entire 3 modules act as one module. So when you turn on and you run in and out of the preamp, you can have the EQ insert and you can also have the compressor insert. Now let's go through some of the knobs before I get going, because I don't want you to just not know what the knobs do. But this is the middle. This is basic EQ. The outside ring is going to tell you where we're at. So 4K, 7K, 3K, 2K, 1K, AK, AK, 47. No, so I think when these knobs are down, I'm still getting familiar with this, but I think this is how it is. And now some guy's gonna go, this guy doesn't know what he's doing. I love that. I had a guy say that the other day. Now on that, so this is just basic EQ, gain, reduction, and then your different bandwidths. Now I think these are high pass, low pass, and this is just a bandwidth mid. It sounds really good, dude. That's what I want you guys to do. Here's the other thing. This is limiter mode, compressor mode. So when I hit this, which for some reason the LED on this one wasn't working when I got it. That's no offense to Neve. Stuff happens. Compressor IO. That's the compressor. And then the bottom, if I click this in, it's going to actually link the two. So, long story short, let's get into it, man, and let you hear the demo. So here we go.
You ask how much I need you. Must I explain? I need you, oh my darling, like roses need rain. You ask how long I'll love you. I'll tell you true, until the 12th of never, I'll still be loving you. Hold me close, never let me go. Hold me close, melt my heart like April snow. I will love you till the bluebells forget to bloom. I'll love you till the clover has lost its perfume. I'll love you till the poets run out of rhyme, until the 12th of never, and that's a long, long time. Until the 12th of never, and that's a long, long time.
Here, I want you guys to realize how powerful this EQ is, man. I mean, let me really twerk it a little bit. Twerk. There we go. Let's give him some fatness.
Welcome to my world. Won't you come on in? Miracles, I guess, still happen now and then. Step into my heart, leave your cares behind. Welcome to my world, built with you in mind. Knock and the door will open. Seek and you will find. Ask and you will be given the key to this world of mine. I'll be waiting here with my arms unfurled, waiting just for you. Welcome to my world. Waiting just for you. Welcome to my world.
So in between songs here, one of the things that I'm starting to realize maybe I should, this one had a limiter light out, which this is not common, but I'm going to show you a setting with just limiter, and I'm going to show you how powerful it is on a vocal with just a little EQ.
Ordinary, no, really don't think so. Not a love this true. Common destiny, we were meant to be, me and you. Like a perfect scene from a movie screen, we're a dream come true. Suited perfectly for eternity, me and you. Every day, will I need you even more. Time too. There's no way I could ever let you go, even if I wanted to. Every day I live, try my best to give all I have to you. Thank the stars above that we share this love, me and you. Every day, will I need you even more, and the nighttime too. There's no way I could ever let you go, even if I wanted to. Ordinary, no, I really don't think so. Just a precious few. Ever make it last, get as lucky as me and you. Me and you.
Alright, we're going to do one more as the video comes to a close here. I want to do one more, but now they're at 1.5 ratios, 2.1. Smaller ratios, not as much control. But I'm going to tweak it a lot.
One word, that's all you said. Something in your voice caused me to turn my head. Your smile just captured me, and you were in my future far as I could see. And I don't know how it happened, but it happened still. You asked me if I love you and if I always will. Well, you had me from hello, and I felt love start to grow. The moment that I looked into your eyes, you owned me. It was over from the start. You completely stole my heart. Now you won't let go. I never even had a chance, you know. You had me from hello. Inside, I built a wall so high around my heart, I thought I'd never fall. One touch, you brought it down. The bricks of my defenses scattered on the ground, and I swore to me I wasn't gonna love again. The last time was the last time I'd let someone in, but you had me from hello, and I felt love start to grow. The moment that I looked into your eyes, you owned me. It was over from the start. You completely stole my heart. Now you won't let go. I never even had a chance, you know. You had me from hello. That's all you said. Something in your voice caused me to turn my head. You had me from hello. You had me from hello.
Anyways, let's finish this video, man. I think I gave you enough material to listen to. I'm gonna bounce this out. Let's go back out for like 2 seconds here. Whoa, 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 isn't that so sweet? Don't drop the camera, Doug, don't drop the camera. So anyways, it's telling me to change the battery pack. Long story short, let's put it this way, dude. We can sit here and talk about Neve all you want. It's the holy grail, dude. It sounds incredible. I thank God that I have the chance to work with it. So, yeah, I hope you liked the video.